is the accusative? Well, the accusative deals with a direct object, and that simply means that the person or thing receives the action. Let's look at the masculine non-living noun sviet. Sviet means flower. So masculine non-living ends in a consonant. Sviet, flower, ends in a T. Vidim sviet, I see a flower. The feminine ends in a U, so torba, bag, ends in a U. Torbo, vidim torbo, I see a bag. Now the neuter ends in O or E. Vino is wine, and it ends in an O. It's neuter. PM vino, I'm drinking wine. We've got the non-living, sir, cheese, ends in a consonant, and then we have the masculine living in the accusative case. It means it's got a heartbeat. It ends in A. So we've got brat, that's a living person, and brat then ends in an A. So vidim brata, I see brother. We don't usually say my, we just say vidim brata. Let's look at some common verbs in the accusative case. Jedem, I'm eating. Jedem. Pijem, I'm drinking. Pijem. Kupim, I'm buying. Kupim. Imam, I have. Imam torbo, I have a bag. Feminine noun. It ends in a U. Žena ends in a U in the accusative. It becomes ženo. Now the non-living masculine ends in a consonant. Kru is just kru. Kru in the nominative, kru in the accusative. The living masculine ends in A. So we have sin in the nominative case, it means son. In the accusative, it's sinna. The neuter is pivo in the nominative case, and it's pivo in the accusative case. Next lesson, we're going to look at the locative case. So keep an eye on my videos because I'm going through the cases now. And don't forget to subscribe.